Today we're going to see how we enter the model that you see on the screen into the CAMG and how do we actually perform a simulation. Let's take a look at this. We have this rotational system. As you can see in here, we have a rotational mass. We call it theta 1 in here. This other one with theta 2, and there is a torque over here. And then there is spring damper elements over here. And this other in between, there's a spring damper as well, another spring damper, attached to the wall over here. So we need to understand, first of all, the model, and then after we do that, we need to see how we can enter this into the CAMG software. So if you can see this is composed of the two masses which are indicated in there by the 2i elements. It's also composed of the spring damper system that is on the right hand side, which is the R and the C element. The torque is indicated by the SC element on the right hand side. And on the left, we have another spring damper combination. So just to make sure that we are on the same page, these elements are these two. This inertia here is this one. The torque is this element over here. The other mass is this I. The C and the R is these two. And in between the two, we have these two. Okay, so why don't we just write some steps in here, perhaps that might be helpful. Just put them on the right hand side. Let's see, hold on for a second. Maybe there. Just go over here and say step number 1. What should we do? We need to draw the bond graph model in CAMG. I'm not sure if the word draw is the appropriate. Maybe what we should say is enter, because it assumes that at this point we're assuming that you have the model and you're going to go into the program to process it. So what we'll do here is we go into here to where it says programs, and we're gonna go to the where CAMG is installed right here and click on this. And so there we go, we'll have this initial screen, and then you'll have, say, new over here, yeah. Let's just, I'm going to move it a little bit out of the way, but in such a way that I can still see the model. So maybe, well, I don't want to reduce it because we do want to see it. Huh? How is that? And there you go. So I am going to go over here and enter. If you want to keep the order that you have in here, we need to enter it in the order that in the order that they are numbered. but you can enter them anywhere you want, any way you like. So in here we're gonna see, let's go to the right hand side. Mhm. We have a little bit of a mess up in here because I don't see the IDR, I mean don't see the mouse. So where is the mouse here? Something has happened with this. Oh, I think I know what it is. It's thinking is one of these. Like here. See, here we go. You know Murphy's laws? Those just happen to us right now. I mean, it's really messed up. So we might have to start the task manager here and just do away with the process, I believe. What is very disheartening is that I have lost the mouse. That is the most problematic thing. And without the mouse, we have major problems. This one still is alive. So I'm just going to go here and I say end the task. And like that. And then we're gonna say, let's just keep going. I'll have to edit the video later. I'm not going to stop it. We really had a meltdown. Program was not working at all. Now it is. See, I have a mouse again. So let's see if we have the drawing though. That's the next problem here. Well, we do. So this is good. So in here we go. We're gonna put the one junction here. And it looks like we have exactly the same problem now. You see what's happening? I have lost the mouse again. And I just don't really know what I have done wrong. In this one, the mouse exists. Here the mouse is, I have how frustrating. This has never happened, as you can see, that the computer would go down. Maybe I shouldn't touch the window. I am going to not do that this time and see what happens. I think the whole system maybe needs to be rebooted, but I will lose a lot of stuff. Well, what can we do? Let's stop here.